Welcome to the Vultr Object Storage Review Usage Experience. Links to the product are provided in the description below. Vultr's Object Storage is a scalable, high-performance cloud storage solution designed for developers, businesses, and teams who need reliable and cost-effective object storage. It's ideal for use cases like storing large amounts of unstructured data, including backups, media files, and application assets. One of the primary advantages of Vultr Object Storage is its simplicity and ease of use. It integrates well with Vultr's cloud infrastructure, making it seamless for users already leveraging Vultr's compute resources. But it can also be used independently. Setting up and managing your storage is straightforward, with a user-friendly web interface and comprehensive API support. This flexibility makes it easy to automate workflows and integrate with your applications or infrastructure. Vultr Object Storage is S3 compatible, allowing users to take advantage of existing tools and software that support the S3 API. This makes it an attractive option for developers who need compatibility with industry-standard applications. The storage is designed to scale with your needs, offering high durability with multiple copies of your data across different locations to ensure availability. It also includes features such as automatic data encryption and granular access control, helping secure your data both at rest and in transit. The pricing structure is another benefit, following a simple pay-as-you-go model. With no hidden fees, you only pay for the storage you use and the data transferred, making it cost-effective, especially for small and medium-sized businesses. Vultr Object Storage offers a competitive pricing model, particularly for users who need a flexible solution without long-term commitments or complex pricing tiers. In conclusion, Vultr Object Storage offers an easy-to-use, reliable, and affordable cloud storage solution. Its simplicity, security, and S3 compatibility make it an excellent choice for developers and businesses looking for efficient object storage. Check out the links in the description to get started today.